everyone, it's Natalie. Logan and I went on a trip to Clearwater, Florida last week, and we wanted to share some of the fun things that we did while we were there so you can plan your trip there accordingly. Kicking things off with Pier 60. Pier 60 originally opened in 1962 and is named after State Road 60 that ends right there at the beach. The current 1,080-foot concrete pier was built in 1994 and has become a focal point for Clearwater. It is considered one of the best fishing piers in Florida and offers a recreational park with telescopes, covered pavilions, and a beach playground for kids. The bait house, which is the red-roofed building pictured in the video about halfway down the pier, offers bait, fishing tackle, t-shirts, souvenirs, drinks, snacks, as well as rental equipment. It does cost $1 to finish the walk. When you reach the bait house, you are to pay that $1 if you want to reach the end of the pier. I highly recommend paying that $1 and getting the chance to walk all the way out. It is a stunning view of Clearwater once you're out there. On top of being a great place to fish and hang out for the day, Sunsets at Pier 60 debuted in 1995, which has continued to be a nightly celebration featuring performances by musicians, fire breathers, dancers, and more. It also includes street performers, crafts, and a stunning view of the sunset. So if you get a chance to hang out at nighttime at Pier 60, I highly recommend doing so. Is anyone hungry? I know I am. Let's talk about Frenchy's Cafe. Frenchy's originally opened in 1981, and it quickly became well known for its fresh super grouper sandwich, which Logan and I got, and you will see shortly. That sandwich spawned the opening of 4 more restaurants: the Frenchy's Saltwater Cafe in 1989, Frenchy's Rockaway Grill in 1991, as seen in this video, Frenchy's South Beach Cafe in 2003, and Frenchy's Outpost Bar and Grill in 2013. Frenchy's restaurants are regarded as a staple for delicious, fresh from the Gulf seafood. The prices are super reasonable, and it was just a fun and casual beach atmosphere. If you get a chance to go hang out, get a drink and a sandwich, I highly recommend doing so. Ahoy! Let's talk about pirates. Captain Memo's Pirate Cruise is located right in the heart of Clearwater Beach, and it's family-oriented. I was utterly shocked when Logan surprised me with this. I am obsessed with pirates, so if you know someone that's like me, if you yourself are like me, love the history, the culture, the lore behind pirates, I highly recommend going on an adventure with them. They do offer sailings in the morning, afternoon, and evening, and I'll link their website in the description below so you can take a look and see what time would work best for you. They do offer drinks for those that are 21 and over, so parents, feel free to let loose and have a drink or two while you're sailing around for a couple of hours. And then while parents get to relax and have fun, the kiddos do get to have some fun adventures while they're on the cruise. So this really is the perfect way to make some family memories. I highly recommend doing it. going to be it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Let Logan and I also know if you have any suggestions on things to do in Clearwater or anything that you want to see next. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. We really appreciate it, and we will see you guys in the next video.